In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an email for your child. That's a child email. So in my previous videos, I showed you guys how you can create an adult email or an adult Gmail. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a child Gmail. So to create a child Gmail, the person you are creating for should be 13 years or below, something like that. If the person is above 13 years, if you have a child that's above 13 years, you need to add them to a family link. That you're going to create an adult Gmail for them, but you add them to a family link so you can control their Gmail. So I have a video on that. I'm going to drop that in this video description. If you don't see it there, you can check my channel to find that video. So now let me show you guys how to create a child email. It's very much simple and easy. So you just hop on your Gmail, creating an account like this. So you tap on the create account and then you select child. So good, you can see. So now let's just tap on yes to continue, and now let's add the first name. Let's give it Michael, and this is for tutorial, so you're not going to add a lot of information here. So okay, so 2013 qualifies, so let me do it. Michael 2013, Michael.2013. Let me see whether the name is already taken. So Michael and then triple. So the theory is 4. Okay, so I need to create a password. So let me give it a password. And now let me continue. So to manage the account, I need to add a parent email. So let me add one of my mails. That's my email for tutorials. Yeah, there's it. Okay, so yeah, you can see. So just like I said, if your child is above 13, you can download the family link and then you add them so you can supervise their Gmail. So that's it. It's very much simple. Now let's agree to the terms here. So this, I'm going to get access to. So now I need to enter this password of this email to fully create this. So good. Now let me move to next. So let me do this. I'm going to get a code on my phone. So let me. Taking a lot of time for me to get the code so I can fully verify and then fully create the mail. So that's it. Or now you can create a child email. It's very much simple and easy. So after adding your parental email, you just have to verify your SMS or you enter your debit information. They're not going to take any money from your debit, but then if this is not working, you can choose your debit and they are good to go. You've created a child email or a child Gmail for your child so they can use it, but then anything they do on their Gmail, you are going to be able to view it.